Hello Year 9s, I'm Mrs Thomas and I'm one of the geography teachers that will be teaching you for GCSE Geography when you start your options after Easter. Mrs Brown is the other geography teacher. When you start your GCSEs, we will start with one of our big, quite exciting topics, hazardous earth. We will then go on to look at development dynamics, which is all about India and how different countries develop. And then finally we'll finish with challenges of an urbanising world, which is a bit about Mumbai, one of India's biggest cities. In year 11, we will then move on to look at challenges that the UK faces, so a bit about deindustrialisation, but then we do quite a lot on coasts and rivers. And that brings me on to our field work. So you will do 2 field trips. You will do one where we go to Lyme Regis and we look at coasts and we look at the erosion and you do some field work on the beach. And yes, you will have a chance to have fish and chips. And then the other one is where we compare Chard and Axminster. Your lessons won't be that different to your Year 9 lessons, except you'll be taught by Mrs Brown or me. We will look at different topics and you'll be doing activities. We use the textbook, we use lots of different resources, we use videos. David Attenborough pops up, we look at some Planet Earth videos, etc. The post-16, so lots of our students go on to take it for A-level, and we normally get quite a few students taking geography at degree level. What jobs could you go on and do? You could go and be a volcanologist, you could be a travel agent, you could work for the Met Office, you could also go and be a Premiership footballer with a geography degree, and you could join the military or go into civil service jobs or work for the United Nations. We normally get very good results in 2019, which is our last set of results because last year's didn't count because of COVID. In 2019, we had 70% getting a grade 4 or above and quite a few students getting 6s and above, so those really top grades. However, very, very few students get U's, so we managed to make sure that every student gets a grade. It is 100% exam, which is quite nice because it balances with other courses where there's a bit more coursework. You have 3 exams, one, as I say, on those global issues where we look at hazardous earth, one where we look at UK issues and field work, and the final exam is a decision-making exam where you use all of your geographical skills. Jackson, what would you like to say to the Year 9s about geography?
If you want to learn the world around you and you want to understand what you're standing on, you should take geography.